In 1988, a tragic series of events unfolded at Clapham Junction station just outside London, England, revealing the dangers of rushed and improper maintenance in railway operations. The story begins with British Rail deciding to replace its 40-year-old signalling system. Electricians and signal maintainers worked to update the infrastructure, but mistakes were made. At Clapham Junction, faulty wiring caused a signal to display incorrect information. This set up a catastrophic chain reaction. On December 12, 1988, the 7:18 a.m. train from Poole to London Waterloo approached a red signal that should have been yellow. The driver stopped and called the signal box, only to be told the signal was fine. A grave error. Meanwhile, the 6:30 a.m. train from Bournemouth received incorrect signals, rounded a curve and collided at high speed with the stopped train. Wreckage spilled onto adjacent tracks, where a third train passing without passengers struck the debris. A fourth train narrowly avoided the chaos, stopping just in time. Emergency services arrived swiftly, but the scene resembled a battlefield, with tangled wreckage and severely injured passengers. Rescuers faced challenges due to the cutting's steep slopes and obstructive fencing. By the end, 35 lives were lost, 69 were seriously injured, and over 400 sustained minor injuries. Investigations uncovered the root cause: a loose wire left during signal rewiring weeks earlier. The wire created a false relay feed, leading to the signal failure. Overworked technicians and inadequate supervision were significant factors. The technician responsible had been working 7-day weeks for months, and critical safety checks were neglected. The tragedy prompted changes in British Rail's operations, including stricter testing protocols, limits on working hours for safety-critical roles, and greater oversight. British Rail was fined £250,000, but no fine could undo the devastation. However, lessons from Clapham Junction haven't always been heeded. In 2016, at Cardiff Central, a similar signalling oversight nearly caused another accident. Thankfully, the alertness of a train driver prevented disaster. The Clapham Junction collision serves as a grim reminder of the importance of safety, rigorous training, and thorough oversight in railway operations. One can only hope that its lessons will continue to prevent future tragedies. Please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting railway videos.